So there we go, folks. 1 pound of spuds, and we will slice them on the mandolin. There we go. And there we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Thinly sliced into a bowl of cold water. That is 1 pound of thinly sliced russet potatoes. 4 slices of bacon. Well, who doesn't love that? I tell you. Hey, look at that. Oh, yeah. Do you know who said, oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Does anybody remember that saying, oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Remember the Kool-Aid man that used to, the Kool-Aid plastic pitcher? Oh, yeah. They gotta be old like me to know this. Oh, yeah. That you used to get. I think you got free with so many envelopes of empty Kool-Aid packets. Oh, yeah. You could send away for the Kool-Aid pitcher that looked like the Kool-Aid man from the commercials. Oh, yeah. And he used to jump out, and the Kool-Aid pitcher was filled with whatever color Kool-Aid it was, and he'd go, oh, yeah. Yeah, you gotta be my age to remember that. And if you're not, if you're young, you want to see, I bet you can Google it. Oh, yeah. And you'll see what I'm talking about. So let me just cook up this bacon, and then I'll bring you back. Oh, yeah. So while the bacon is finishing up, I decided to, I had about, I think 8 slices left. The other 4 can go in my potato soup and that I'm going to make. So I cut up fine the onions, and I have 1 tablespoon of flour, a half a cup of milk over there, a half a cup of vegetable stock that I made yesterday, and I got a delivery package from my angel, goldfish cheddar. Yum, 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 yum. Alrighty, let's move forward. Bacon's all cooked. Supposed to add a tablespoon of oil back into the pan. Roughly, it's about a tablespoon. Put that back in the pan. Spread it around. And hope I don't regret doing this in the cast iron, that it burns or sticks. I mean, it's been seasoned, but the cooker, the element I have to use, because I can't use my induction with the cast iron, it gives me an error. So it said, am I recording? Is it moving? Yes. So it said put a tablespoon of oil back into the pan, because I removed all the bacon grease. Put 1 tablespoon of bacon grease back into the pan. The drippings, add half the potatoes, salt, pepper, flour, onions, and remaining bacon drippings to the top. Okay, so let's get going, and I'll bring you back. Okay, that's almost half. Isn't that pretty? So I need to add salt, pepper, flour, and onions, and then the remaining bacon drippings. Okay. Onions, salt, and pepper. Now, I like onions. So I will probably use more than what they called for onion-wise. So I like onions. And for this, you can do that. You can do whatever you want, really. Do whatever you choose. Now, salt, pepper. Because there's no salt in my vegetable broth, bouillon. The flour. The flour. Now, it says, and remaining bacon drippings and top with half bacon. Okay, let's do the top with half bacon. So roughly 2 slices of crumbled bacon into the pan, like this. One more there. Bacon drippings. Catch my sleeve on the bacon drippings. And layer some more. Repeat. Add the milk and the wine. So not the wine, but the milk and the vegetable stock that I made yesterday. I'll bring you back. Alrighty then. So the second layer and all the goodies, the salt, the pepper, the flour, the bacon bits. Now I need to add the half a cup of milk and the half a cup of vegetable stock that I am using instead of wine. Sorry, Louisiana cooks, to do this to you, but A, I don't have any wine, and B, I don't drink wine. even cooking with it. I just don't buy it. Okay, half a cup of each, because I've minimized the ingredients amount from 2 pounds to 1 pound. Now I covered my lid with foil so it fit a little bit more securely on the pan. Let's see, because I want to, the pan has little steam release things, and I want to sort of fold down on it so it can cook the potato better and not, all the steam come out. Well, yeah, trying to do this and film at the same time, yeah, not the easiest thing in the world, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work somehow. There we go. There. Clean up my mess. It splattered. Of course it did. I go through all that, not make a mess until just now. So there we go. Set the timer for 45 minutes, and we'll see what happens. I'll bring you back, good or bad. And there you have it, folks. Scalloped potatoes, cooked for 45 minutes in the cast iron pan. I found my silicone handle saves my hands, thank goodness. And it said 5 minutes now to get the extra liquid out of there so it'll evaporate. That's built up. And then it's done. And it's ready for dinner when it's dinner time. Scalloped potatoes from the old Creole cookbook. I'll let you know how it tastes later.